These dimple dinner rolls are like magic. They are one of the best and simplest homemade dinner roll recipe. We just need to mix together the ingredients in a bowl. No kneading, no special equipment, no hard to find ingredients. They are so easy. They are super soft, fluffy and moist and perfect to make pockets to fill it with butter, fruit jam, chocolate spread, hummus and falafel and olive oil, and they goes pretty well with any soups, salads or main dishes. So today let's see how to make these easy, soft and fluffy dinner rolls in 5 simple steps. So let's start by preparing the dough. To prepare the dough, we need only few basic ingredients: flour, water, yeast as a leavening agent, and salt and sugar to add taste. So into a bowl, add the flour and then add the yeast. Here I have used instant yeast, and then add some sugar and salt and whisk them together to make sure everything is evenly distributed in the flour. And then we need to combine the flour and water to bring it to a dough. So here, to make less mess while mixing, I'm using the rear end of this wooden spoon to mix them together. Add the lukewarm water little by little and mix them together. Here our objective is to hydrate the whole flour completely. We need to make sure there are no dry patches left behind. And we should keep in our mind that this no-knead dough should be more on stickier side, unlike a regular kneaded bread dough. Now our bread dough is ready for the first proofing. So let's wrap it with a plastic film and keep it in a warm environment for 2 hours or until they get doubled in size. Now our dough has risen well, and all we have to do now is to degas the dough and then transfer this onto a lightly floured work surface. As this dough is very sticky, always make sure to dust the surface of the dough with enough flour to prevent any chance of dough sticking to your hands. Now we need to divide and shape the dough. This recipe is sufficient to make 8 dinner rolls. I weighed them on my kitchen scale to make 8 parts of approximately 70 grams each. Now let's see how to shape the rolls. Just tuck in the edges towards the center. And place the same side onto your palm and roll it into a round ball. And then gently roll it into an oval shape. You can make them round or oval according to how you prefer. And place it onto a non-stick baking tray or a greased tray or a baking tray lined with a parchment paper. To prevent any chance of those rolls sticking to the cling film, I'm applying some olive oil on the plastic film, and then cover the rolls with this plastic film and make them sit and rise for the second time, which is around 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, let's give that beautiful dimples to those rolls. For that, lightly oil the sides of your hands and then press the center of each roll to make a deep slit. Don't hesitate to press down firmly, or else the slit will disappear during the final rise and will hardly show once the rolls are baked. So press them hardly, otherwise they will turn flat. So now Let's allow them to sit for another 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes they are ready to go into the oven. So here I'm going to give an egg wash to make it more appealing to your eyes when they come out of the oven, which is an optional step. You can take them directly onto the oven. Just before placing the baking tray inside the oven, pour 1 cup of water into a baking tray and keep it inside the oven. This will help to create a steam inside the oven, which will delay the formation of crust on the rolls and also seal the moisture inside the bread, which will make it more soft and fluffy inside. So bake it at 410 Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes or until they turn golden brown in color. And after baking, you will get those beautifully caramelized golden brown crusted soft and fluffy dinner rolls. Let them sit in the pan for 4 to 5 minutes and then transfer this onto a cooling rack. These rolls are unbelievably soft and moist, and you can make these rolls from start to finish in a span of few hours. And they are best when they are fresh out of the oven. And you can use this recipe anytime if you want soft, fluffy, tender bread rolls to go with your meals. And they are so much better than store-bought ones. And I hope you will try these dinner rolls at home, and I'm pretty sure you will love it. I hope you found this dinner roll recipe easy and helpful. And if you like the video, please give a thumbs up and please share it with your friends and family. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel so that you won't miss any upcoming recipes. And thank you so much for your love and support. Thanks for watching this video and see you next time.